Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to add tasks to your Google Calendar. So I have it opened up right here, and all you need to do is click on this plus icon or the create button right here. Click on a task. You'll get these three options. Go ahead and click on task, and now we can add a title. So let's say your dog's grooming session, right? So go ahead and add this as your title. And what is the date? So let's go ahead and pick one out here. Let's say it's on the 21st of May. And what the time is. So you can come here and choose your time, or you can type it in as well. So I'll go ahead and choose 3:30 p.m. and whether it repeats or not. So is it like an annual thing, a monthly thing, right? You can do a custom one as well. So I will go ahead and choose a custom one. So this one will repeat every, let's say, 3 weeks. Every 3 weeks, you have a grooming session with them on a Wednesday, and whether it ends or not, right? So I'll keep it at never ending. Go ahead and click on done. And you can add a description if you want, maybe the number of the groomer, things like that. And there we go. We can go ahead and click on save. If you have a list, you could have saved it to a list right there. So I'll just save it as my task in general. And you'll see on the 21st, okay, Wednesday, we have this task. Now, if I go here and I switch over to yearly, you'll see that I will have this on every third of every 3 weeks. So there we go. We have dog grooming on June 11th. So after this session, 1 to 3 weeks, there we go. We have another dog's grooming session. And it's really that easy and simple.